Mastering household vocabulary. Dust the furniture, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're going to dive into a very common household chore that you might come across in English conversations, instructions, or even in movies: dusting the furniture. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get started. When we say, dust the furniture, we're talking about a cleaning activity. Dusting means removing the dust, those tiny particles of dirt, skin, and other materials that accumulate on surfaces over time, from your furniture. This can include anything from tables and chairs to shelves and desks. The main goal here is to keep your living space clean and dust-free. Dusting furniture might seem straightforward, but there's a right way to do it to ensure you're effectively removing dust without damaging your furniture. 1. Choose the right tools. Soft cloths, microfiber dusters, or specially designed dusting tools are your best bet. They grab and hold onto dust without scratching your furniture. 2. Gentle touch. Use gentle, sweeping motions to lift the dust off the surfaces. Avoid harsh rubbing, which could harm the finish of your furniture. 3. Top to bottom rule. Always start dusting from the highest surfaces and work your way down. This way, any dust that falls while cleaning won't land on already cleaned areas. To make your dusting more effective and less of a chore, consider these tips. Regular schedule. Dust accumulates quickly, so regular dusting is key. Once a week is a good standard, but adjust based on your environment and the season. Avoid spray overuse. If you use a furniture polish or dusting spray, don't overdo it. A light spray on the cloth, not the furniture, can help trap dust without leaving residue. Focus on hidden areas. Don't forget to dust areas like the tops of doors, ceiling fans, and under furniture. These less visible places can collect a lot of dust over time. Dust the furniture is more than just a phrase. It's an essential part of keeping your home clean and comfortable. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means and how you can effectively tackle this task. Remember, regular dusting not only makes your home look better but also improves air quality. Happy cleaning, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more useful English phrases and vocabulary.